Have you ever seen those amazing before and after transformations from creatine? More strength, bigger muscles, better workouts. But here's the truth. Many people take creatine the wrong way, and instead of results, they get bloating, stomach issues, or no progress at all. So today, let's talk about the biggest mistakes you should never make when taking creatine. First mistake, not drinking enough water. Creatine pulls water into your muscles. If you don't drink enough water, you may feel dehydrated, tired, or get headaches. Always drink at least 2.5 to 3 liters of water daily when taking creatine. Second mistake, taking too much creatine. More is not better. Your body only needs about 3 to 5 grams per day. Taking 15, 20 grams daily can cause stomach discomfort and bloating. Consistency matters more than high doses. Third mistake, expecting instant results. Creatine is not magic. It usually takes 2 weeks for your muscles to fully store creatine and start showing better strength and endurance. Be patient and stay consistent. Fourth mistake, skipping workouts. Creatine works best when combined with strength training and proper nutrition. Without exercise, you won't see those impressive before and after results. And the final mistake, buying low-quality creatine. Always choose pure creatine monohydrate, which is the most researched and safest form. Avoid products with too many unnecessary additives. So remember, drink enough water, take the right dose, stay consistent, train regularly, and choose quality creatine. Follow these tips, and your creatine before and after results will look completely different. For more simple health and fitness tips, make sure to subscribe to the channel and keep improving your health naturally.